I'm Teacher Anna. In our last video, we had talked about the attributives with the particle. Then, here is also an example of attributives without the. Part 4. 他喜欢上了那个红头发女孩。He is falling in love with that red-haired girl. Adverbs are additional components of a predicate, also known as clause with a verb, used to modify the verb. The position of the adverb should be before the verb. Generally, the adverb is between the subject and the verb, but sometimes it can be placed before the subject. Between the adverb and verb, there is sometimes a the particle that modifies the adverb to become verb adly. Let's look at some adverb examples. 他快速地打开了盒子。He opened the box quickly. 他总是写信给我。He always wrote letters to me. Next, we'll talk about the complement. A complement is another component of a verb and is mostly used for explanations. The complement should be after a verb or an object. Here are some complement examples. 学生们绕着操场跑了5圈。The students ran 5 laps around the playground. 我已经吃完晚饭了。I have already finished my supper. 鸟自由地飞翔在蓝天中。The bird flew freely in the blue sky. The basic course on Chinese sentence components is about to end here. Don't forget to like this video. And see you next time.